Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will review CryptoSea. CryptoSea has been making waves in the crypto world, and by the end of this video you will know if CryptoSea is the right fit for you. And remember, if you want to get started with CryptoSea, please use the link in the description to get the best discounts available. So what exactly is CryptoSea? Well, CryptoSea is a trading platform that uses advanced algorithms to help you trade cryptocurrencies. It's designed to make trading easier and more profitable, even if you're not a crypto trader expert. So the platform is user-friendly and offers a range of features that to cater both beginners as well as experienced traders. One of the standout features of CryptoSea is its automated trading bot. This bot uses so-called sophisticated algorithms to analyze market trends and execute trades on your behalf. This means you don't have to spend hours staring at the charts and trying to predict the market movements. So the bot does all the work hard for you, allowing you to sit back and watch your account balance grow. It's perfect for those who don't want to get into crypto trading, or kind of do but don't have the time or expertise, or just don't want to do it manually. Another great feature of CryptoSea is its referral program. This program allows you to earn rewards by referring friends and colleagues to the platform. The more people you refer, the more rewards you will earn. It's a great way to make some extra money while helping the others to get started with crypto trading. Now, let's talk about some of the pros and cons of CryptoSea. One of the biggest pros is the ease of use. The platform is designed to be very user-friendly with a clean and intuitive interface. Even if you're new to crypto trading, you will find it easy to navigate and to use the various features that CryptoSea offers. The automated trading bot is another major pro, as it takes the guesswork out of trading and helps you make profitable trades without having to do the analysis yourself. Another pro is the customer support. CryptoSea offers excellent customer support with a team of knowledgeable and helpful representatives available to assist you with any issues or questions you may have. They offer support via live chat, email and phone, so you can get help whenever you need. However, there are a few cons to consider as well. One of the main cons is the risk involved with crypto trading. So while an automated trading bot can help you make profitable trades, there is always a risk of losing money with cryptocurrencies. It's important to be aware of this risk and only invest money that you can afford to lose. Another con is the cost. While CryptoSea offers a range of pricing plans to suit different budgets, the more advanced features and higher trading limits come with a higher price tag. It's worth considering whether the additional features are worth the extra cost for your trading needs. So speaking of pricing, let's dive into the different pricing plans available. CryptoSea offers different pricing tiers, starting with the basic plan or the cheapest plan, and that is perfect for beginners. This plan includes access to a premium indicator and basic trading tools, as well as customer support. But if you really want to take it serious and really want to get an automated smart bot for a one-time payment, you can buy this smart bot for €500. The basic plan is quite affordable, making it a great option for those who are just starting out with crypto trading. But the higher tier plan is more expensive, but offers additional features that you can that might help you maximize your trading profits. But it's important to choose a plan that fits your budget and trading goals. So in summary, CryptoSea is a fantastic trading platform that offers a range of features to help you trade cryptocurrencies more effectively. The automated trading bot, user-friendly interface, and excellent customer support make it a great choice for both beginners and expert traders. So again, please note the risks involved with crypto trading. But if you're interested in trying out CryptoSea, don't forget to use the link in the description to sign up and take advantage of the special promotions. So I want to thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.